Our mission, both professionally and personally, is to protect children's vision.
What Vision Quest is trying to do is a monumental change. It doesn't happen overnight.
I'm a dad. I consider myself a good parent, and I was stunned to learn how prevalent vision disorders are.
Almost every day in my office, I see children that had a serious vision problem that was detected too late. And I have to tell the parents that if only we had found the problem a few years sooner, it would have been much more treatable.
When James explained to me the public health dilemma that existed with regards to children's vision, I felt compelled, based on my own personal experience with vision, to become involved. When I was 4 years old, I was bitten by a poisonous insect, and it resulted in 2.5 weeks of total blindness. And it left quite an impression on me.
We're still screening children the same way we did when many of us grew up, by lining up in a line and covering one eye and reading an eye chart at the end of the room. It occurred to me we can do better for our children. Children are naturals with computers, and I thought, why couldn't we use a computer game and put it to all their computer skills to good use and check their vision while they play a game?
I can't tell you how frightening it was to have lost my vision. So when I had an opportunity to protect other children's vision, I jumped on it. Quite frankly, prior to iSpy 2020, this technology simply did not exist. So we worked with a medical advisory board to really understand children's vision. We wanted children to forget that this was a test. We just wanted it to be a game.
There's a logic program in the computer, and it actually responds to the child's mouse clicks, so that each child gets a customized exam based on his or her own responses.
Having founded Vision Quest 2020 is an extraordinary privilege in and of itself, but walking into a classroom and seeing children enjoying a vision screening process is truly overwhelming.
It's an incredible feeling to be able to see the dream come into fruition and actually see the impact our organization is making in children's lives and families' lives.
The past 10 years have gone by very quickly. I'm doing exactly what I'm supposed to be. It's what I love, it's what I'm passionate about, because every child deserves to see. It's that simple.
My work with Vision Quest is an extension of what I do every single day in the office. But instead of being able to touch a child's life one child at a time, in this way we can actually change the whole public health model and help thousands or maybe even millions of children across the country. That's a legacy that I'd like to be able to leave. The reason why we started Vision Quest was to use technology to help find vision problems in children at a young age when they're most treatable.
We want to make sure that children can see the blackboard, they can see their fellow students, and ultimately their future.